Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the pumpkin juice health benefits. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. While pumpkin juice has lately achieved global fame, it has been appreciated by vegetarians and natural health fans. The advantages of pumpkin juice are many.
Pumpkin juice includes vitamins B1, B2, B6, C, E, and beta-carotene, minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, iron, sucrose, and organic matter.
It also includes carbohydrates and certain vital salts and proteins. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 10 wonderful health benefits of pumpkins you might not be aware of. So, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 10. High antioxidant content. Free radicals are particles created by your body's metabolic process. Though deeply unpredictable, they have useful roles, such as stopping destructive bacteria. However, unnecessary free radicals in your body produce a state called oxidative stress, which has been linked to chronic illnesses, such as heart disease and cancer. Pumpkins have antioxidants, such as alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, and beta-cryptoxanthin. Test tube and animal studies have shown that these antioxidants protect skin against sun damage and lower the risk of cancer, eye diseases, and other conditions. Number 9. Boosting immunity. Pumpkin has nutrients that can promote your immune system. For one, it's high in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. Studies show that vitamin A can increase your immune system and aid fight viruses. So, people with a vitamin A deficiency can have a weaker immune system. Pumpkin is also high in vitamin C, which has been shown to boost white blood cell creation, improve immune cells work more efficiently, and make wounds heal faster. Aside from the two vitamins mentioned above, pumpkin is also a good source of vitamin E, iron, and folate, all of which have been shown to aid the immune system as well. Number 8. Fighting inflammation. The presence of vitamin C and beta-carotene means that eating pumpkin holds infection away, which guarantees a healthy weight loss. Vitamin C also assures that infections are kept at bay, making your weight loss journey an easier one. The cooling effect of pumpkin juice is ideal for the treatment of inflammation on the skin as well as issues like insect bites. The antioxidants help in healing these issues in the right way. Well, again, all you need is to drink a glass of pumpkin juice each day. Number 7. Ensuring proper sleep. Are you someone who is an insomniac and not able to sleep at night? A natural way to get rid of this problem is to drink a glass of fresh pumpkin juice with a little honey each day. This compound soothes your anxious nerves and gives you a comforting feeling. It is connected to give you the desired outcomes with regular usage. Believe it or not, your sleep cycle is indelibly associated with your weight, and pumpkin juice can even support your sleep quality. Number 6. Low in calories. Pumpkin juice hardly has any calories, because pumpkin itself is notably low in calories. 100 grams of the veggie includes a mere 26 calories. Besides, pumpkin juice fills you up and keeps you full longer. So pumpkin juice is almost fat-free. This makes pumpkin juice an ideal weight loss drink, for when you need to replenish your body fluids after a workout. Number 5. Protecting the liver and kidneys. Those who have kidney stones or the same problems in the gallbladder, or those who have any liver issues, can easily drink a half glass of freshly extracted pumpkin juice thrice a day for the next 10 days. This assists in the proper remedy of the diseases and gives you improved functioning of the liver and kidney. Number 4. Preventing constipation. One of the best pumpkin juice uses is to manage digestive troubles. Pumpkin juice has dietary fiber that assists in organizing the digestive system completely. It adds bulk to the bowels and so ensures easy and convenient passing of stools, which also leads to a cure of issues of constipation, which is quite common among people. Number 3. Benefits for skin. Vitamin C and vitamin E levels in pumpkin juice are known to be some of the necessary nutrients for supporting skin health. Beta-carotene also assists in reaching these aims. This keeps beautiful, problem-free glowing skin. Pumpkin juice is generally used in many creams and beauty goods to decrease wrinkles, dark spots, and signs of aging. Number 2. Refreshing dry hair. For moisturizing the dry hair and scalp, the best is to drink some pumpkin juice each day. One can also prepare hair packs and conditioners from pumpkin juice to get this goal easily and conveniently. By utilizing pumpkin juice for rinsing your hair can obtain the natural moisture levels and reduce frizz. Number 1. Detoxifying the body. Looking for a natural way to detoxify your body? Try having pumpkin juice. This amazing drink can assist in flushing out the toxins from the body. This provides a revitalized feeling, along with letting your body rebuild itself. Taking pumpkin juice on an empty stomach can cleanse your system well. How to make pumpkin juice? To make pumpkin juice, you just need to some steps as following. Wash the outside of the pumpkin well and peel the hard outer skin of the pumpkin. Deseed the pumpkin and cut it into chunks. Put the pumpkin in the juicer and extract the juice. Flavor the juice by adding the wanted quantity of honey. You can improve the flavor of the juice by adding spices like ground cinnamon or ginger, or even lemon juice. But these should be added in moderation so that they do not interfere with the natural taste of the drink. Pumpkin juice can be served over ice to improve its cooling and refreshing impact. Native to North America, there are quite a few various species of pumpkin, differing in size, color, and shape, but their chemical structure and nutritional advantages are largely the same. While pumpkin seeds and flesh are often used in culinary applications, such as baked pumpkin seeds and pumpkin pie, respectively, pumpkin juice was less widely used until quite recently. Drinking pumpkin juice is also more comfortable than getting several forms to eat regular pumpkin, so many people choose this option, particularly if they are fans of juices. There are several unique side effects associated with pumpkin, so use caution when drinking or speak with your doctor. Although, most people do not experience any negative side effects. Half a cup of pumpkin juice is recommended every day, thanks to its various medicinal and therapeutic properties. Have you ever tried pumpkin juice? What do you think about it? Feel free to share your ideas and experiences with us in the comments section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.